a motherfucker, yo, I'm still ripping mics. I'm still spitting nice, high shit. I was still born, still raw, still scorn. Torn on the ill song, still y'all hate. Fake shit, lips shattering. Still battle demons and the reason still baffling. I'ma kill Baphomet, still righteousness gone. I still like to fight, still righting my wrongs. Still got the skill, still there's money to make. I still like to chill with the honey and bake. Still puffin' purple, still from Connecticut. I still love turtles, still build with my brethren. Still grinding hard, still not a quitter. Hit a blind and sayonara, but still blind is bitter. Still winter in the summer when my presence is there. Still relentless like the thunder, still the message is clear. Still reppin' Slum City,
here to put it on the map.
Still macking pretty chicks,
Here our weapon is rap.
still lighting bonds.
Here to write songs. Still here all along, we are righteousness gone. Here we at it again. Here our paper scratching with pens. Still history repeats itself and the world ends. Here it's hard to detect who's actually a foe or a friend. Out here there's a lot of dumb bitch nut jobs. Try to blow on your cock, constantly scheming. Always wanna know what you owe and what you got. But little did you hear that a side man was plotting on trying to get you shot.
I still a bull whore, still a fan of Ted Bundy. Still get ugly with the sword, a warm kill, shred bloody. Still rape the rhythm up, still taking lithium. Still sipping more formalin, grave how they pity him. Still intense as ever, still severing necks. Still infected with the temper, still the reverend blessed. You'll stay praying at churches, still the serpent is bond. Still I rage, it's my purpose, still the word is from God. Still reppin' Slum City,
Here to put it on the map.
still macking pretty chicks.
Here our weapon is rap.
Still lighting bonds.
Here to write songs. Still here all along, we are righteousness gone. Here to do math for those who speak too fast. For a Rubik's Cube cash to try to laundry mat. Here to grip ass till every organ in her hips is feeling kidnapped. Here to have her not pull nothing out the witch hat. I know what you hearing is making your head nod into a whiplash. Could even possibly shave off a chin strap. Here our earth rap's the only thing that I'm really good at. Here to make sure to keep your hood stacked. Here to not become an easy target, getting schemed on by the hood rats. Here to translate somebody's fate before hate. Here before angels could even communicate. Here to stay real until my funeral state. Here sometimes it's hard to tell who's real and who's fake. I'm solid gold, you just a thin layer of silver plates. I'm here after I take my last breath and rejected by the pearly gates. The pearly gates.
Still reppin' Slum City,
Here to put it on the map.
still macking pretty chicks.
Here our weapon is rap.
Still lighting bonds.
Here to write songs. Still here all along, we are righteousness gone.